Hi there. Welcome to today's video. We're diving into a step-by-step tutorial on ActiveCampaign automations. This tool is fantastic for handling all your email marketing needs. If you're looking to give it a go, just click the link in the description below to start a free trial or log in if you're already set up. Let's jump right in. First, click on the Automations tab. On the top right corner, you'll see an option to create a new automation. You'll also find some existing automations listed here. For this example, I'm going to select Convert Leads into Booking. Now on this page, click See in Action. Here's how our automation will work. If a contact submits a form and it meets our conditions, they will automatically receive a notification. If the form doesn't meet the conditions, a deal will be created for them, they'll be notified, and then the automation will stop. I hope this tutorial helps you understand the automation process better, and I'm delighted to offer you a free email list building course in the description below. Discover how my team and I earned $3,493 in commissions while expanding our email list. This valuable training is available at no cost right now. Don't miss this opportunity to elevate your own success. Thank you for watching our video. We genuinely appreciate your support and hope it brought you value. Stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way.